I love this Milwaukee utility knife. I mean, I just use the heck out of this thing. Had it a long time. Today it's getting an upgrade because I'm putting some of these new made in the USA DeWalt blades in here. And you just push this sucker down in there and then it'll grab. There we go. Now the new blade is installed. Has a locking blade there. Push this button to lock it out. And then got a clip here. You can put this on your tool belt, on your toolbox, whatever, wherever you want to clip it. And then here it's got spares, so you can put your spare blades inside here. It'll hold, I put 3 of them. It's got a magnet in there. A lot of people don't know that's what's holding it in place. It's magnet. So there's a very strong magnet down at the bottom there. So when you set them in that tray, it'll hold on to them and protect them. And then you just set this whole thing down into the body of the knife, and they're just there if you need them. If you get a problem and you got to swap a blade out, you can hold, looks like I get probably 4 of them in there. But doesn't affect the use of the blade at all. In fact, the blade will slide out quite nice. Nice thing too, when the blade is retracted in, this becomes a wire stripper here because a little bit of the blade is showing. It's not enough for you to get your fingers in there and get caught when it's in your pocket, but you can cut wire with that, strip wire with that. It's pretty nice. Got a hole back here so you can put a lanyard on it. You can tie it with a rope, whatever you want to do. So all kinds of features, really well thought out, built into this tool from Milwaukee. You'd probably want to get one. It's just a great one to have around. Hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.